My name is Babalola Emmanuel, aka Immaculate, the CEO of Immaculate Integral Coaching. So what are we looking at today? We're going to consider another topic in mathematics, even in further maths, tied to subject of formula. So when we talk about the subject of formula, as I said earlier, is both in mathematics and further mathematics. So now we're going to look at it in form of questions. In this past concluded WAEC 2024 question 15, we have to make out the subject of the relation. So there are different angles in which the examiner can hide. They can say that she made the subject of the word relation. They can also say that make a particular letter the subject of formula. They can also ask you to express a particular letter in terms of other letters present in that question given to you. So if they ask in any of those three different aspects, we are still making the subject of formula. Because of our time, so let's quickly work on this. So we have to make the R, which is the capital letter R, the subject of formula. Solution, let's try this. Solution V equals to pi L into R square minus R square. So we have to make this capital letter R the subject of formula. So the next thing we're going to do is to open up this bracket. So we multiply all the entries in this bracket by pi L. So let's V equals to pi L R square minus pi L R square. I believe you can see that now. Now, since we already opened up the bracket, the next thing is to take this to the other side because we are looking for this R. And what about subject of formula, which I want to just into now? If you have to make a letter a subject of formula, that letter must stand alone. It must stand alone on a particular side, either the left hand side, while other letters must be at the right hand side. The letter you are asked to make the subject of formula must not appear on both sides. If you appear on both sides, that means you are totally wrong. Okay, so you need to make sure that the letter you have to make the subject of formula only appear on one of the sides, while other letters appear on the other side. Are you getting me now? So let's continue with this. So the next thing is to take this to the other side. Since this is minus sign, by the time you cross the equals to sign, it will turn to what? Plus. It will now be V plus pi L R square equals to pi L R square. I believe you understand that. Since you already know this now, so let me try to rearrange it. So it will now be pi L R square equals to V plus pi L R square. So I just try to that. I do not do any other thing. I just interchange this. So the next thing, we have to make R squared R the subject of formula. And we have pi L. So we have to divide that by what? Pi L. Divide that by pi L. So to now you may only do that R squared. So let's try it. So you have to divide both sides by pi L. Okay? By so doing, it will now be pi L R square over pi L equals to V plus pi L R square over pi L. The next thing is to cut. This will cancel this. This will cancel this. So it will remain R square equals to V plus pi L R square over pi L. Do you know the next thing I'm going to do? Before I even square both sides, I can just split this into two. I can split it left by me, or I can just square root both sides. Why am I square rooting both sides? I'm square rooting both sides to remove the square. So if you want to remove the square, you square root both sides. But if you want to remove any square root, you square both sides. But now I want to remove this square because I'm not asked to make R square the subject of formula. I was asked to make R the subject of formula, capital letter R, the uppercase. But if you want to remove any just square, you square root both sides. So let's square root both sides. So it will now be square root of R square equals to square root of V plus pi L R square over by L. Is that taking? So this we cancel this. So our R equals to square root of V. I can even go ahead by splitting it over pi L plus pi L R square over pi L. Is that taking? So from here, and that is so therefore R equals to square root of, oh look at this one, V over pi L plus, oh this we cancel this, and L will cancel L plus R square. So this is the answer. So you can check it in your past question. That's 2024 question 15. Okay guys, let's look at another question. This is also Y past question. That's 2015 question 34. So we have to make K the subject of the relation. No, they can just twist the question. They have to make it as the subject of relation. They can say she should make it as subject of formula in particular letters. And they can also say that she express that particular letters in terms of other letters that are present in that equation. But this time around, they still ask us to make K the subject of the relation. So this is very simple. So let's solve this question too. Solution. So T equals to square root of Tk minus H over K minus H. So the next thing we're going to do is to square both sides. Why are we squaring both sides? We want to remove the square roots. Since we want to remove the square roots, so we have to square both sides. So you square both sides. So to be T square equals to square root of Tk minus H over K minus H all square. So the next, this will cancel this. So T square equals to Tk minus H over K minus H. Do you understand that? So after this, now the next thing is to cross multiply. You multiply this by this T square with K minus H and Tk minus H with 1. So we cross multiply. So which is going to be T square into brackets K minus H, okay, equals to Tk minus H times 1, and anything times 1 is that thing, okay. Now the next thing is to what? Open up these brackets. You use this T square to multiply all the entries in this bracket. So it's going to be T square K minus T square H equals to Tk minus H. The next thing is to gather the K's together because we have to make K the same formula. And as I said earlier, K must stand alone. The letter you have been asked to make the same formula must stand alone. Okay, it must not appear in both sides. But if it appears in both sides, that means you are wrong. Okay, so let's now take this to be T square K. This plus Tk, but then it cross the equal to side turn to minus Tk equals to this minus T square H. But by the time it cross to the other side, turn to what? Plus T square H minus H. Next thing is to factorize our K out. We need to factorize our K out. So K is common. Fine, let's factorize it out. K into what? T square minus T equals to T square H minus H. Wow. I think we are now getting to our destination now. The next thing is to divide both sides by T square minus T. So you divide both sides by T square minus T. So which is going to be K into T square minus T over T square minus T equals to T square H minus H over T square minus T. So this will cancel this. It will chop each other. It cancels each other. It now remains K. So therefore, K equals to T square H minus H over T square minus T. Answer. So do you see now that our K does not appear in both sides? It's only appear in one of the side, another letters appear in the other side. That's why you can easily know if you are doing well or you are in line on this topic, subject or formula. Okay, do you understand that? You understand that? So I want to appreciate you for watching this video, and I have like 5 refreshments here. So at your leisure time, you can just pick up and solve this question. You can get back to me through any of my platform, and at your lecture time, you can also pick up your past questions, either JAM or your textbooks or any material that you are used to, and try to solve more questions on subject or formula. And if you have any question or any challenges, you can just get back to me through any of my social handles. Thank you very much. I really appreciate. And sometimes this is what I'm trying to say the other time. You can be asked to express a letter in terms of another letter. See, you can come in form of subject or formula. You have to express one letter in terms of another letter, like express H in terms of D and S. That is, you make H the subject of formula. I can also be asking you as subject of the relation. So anyhow the examiner can come out from, so you'll be able to know different way you can set question on subject of formula. Thank you for watching this video. I want to thank you for watching this video. And if you have any question or suggestion, you can get to me through any of my social handle display on the screen. So thank you very much. Please like,